Hello, I'm Toxin, and today I'll show you how to fast level up in Wolf Online 2. Actually, I'll confirm that this method works. I saw this method done by Calcium Dolphin. Thanks to them by sharing. Okay, let's start. Enjoy. Go to any enemy gatekeeper. You should hit 1, 2, or all of them, and then make sure they're following you. Here I failed like 2 times law. I'll speed up the part that contains fails. You should be careful when doing this method. Now look where I'm going, of course, making sure they're following me. Jump right in this spot. Use sense to spectate where these creatures are going. Congratulations! You got your points. Now you can spend them on skills or guild. See you next video.